Welcome to Free Documentary Uganda. We are dedicated to bringing high-class documentaries to you on YouTube with the latest camera equipment used by well-known filmmakers working for famous production studios. You will see fascinating shots from the deep seas and up in the air, capturing great stories and pictures from everything our beautiful and interesting planet has to offer. Enjoy stories about nature, wildlife, culture, people, history, downtown streets, daily life walking tour, world-class buildings, construction and more to come. Hello family, welcome back to another episode. It's Free Documentary Uganda. Like, share, comment and please do not forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel for more videos. See the progress of the construction. Railway updates on Mukono Kampala, Kyengera and Portbell lines. Railway updates on Mukono Kampala, Kyengera and Portbell lines and more works to modernize rail. Let us talk modern passenger train service. This is what you should expect. Better passenger facilities, more routes between Kampala, Mukono, Kyengera among others. Modern level crossing and boarding halls will be installed and so much more. Feel free to share this video and others on your social media networks, Facebook, Instagram, among others, so as to increase its reach across the globe. Thanks for watching. Email us at gabiwater12@gmail.com or WhatsApp us on 072-606-5123. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and please do not forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.